pasta. I don't follow the recipe anymore, I just do my own thing. So it's like Gwemlin pasta. I don't know if I'm gonna use these or these. What is normally what your mom makes it with, this one? Or shells?
I'd say shells.
Shells, not macaroni?
No, shells.
Should I use this one though? These?
Yep.
Okay. These, and then tomato soup. I like this one. I actually don't like tomato soup until I tried these. Yeah, this good. Uses ground beef. A whole bunch of other stuff I'll show you later. I put taco seasoning on it. This is sacrilege, but I like it. This is Gwemlin pasta. Okay. This cooks in 12 to 14 minutes. I'm gonna salt the water. Like this. Like this. The veggies, I use 1 onion, but this one's huge, so I'm just gonna use half. These are carrots I found on the back of the fridge. It's supposed to be 1 large one, but these are little, so I'm gonna use like 2. Just 3 cloves of garlic, a pound. Yeah, a pound of ground beef, my Taco Bell seasoning. Oh, and it's supposed to have 2 cups of beef broth. I have better than bouillon. So just some, later on we'll just mix water and a couple tablespoons of this, or 4 tablespoons of this. And I add cinnamon to my tomato-based pastas. I like it, it's good. I don't like chopping onion, so I use these because it makes me cry. Very good, from Australia. We're in America right now. I love these, so good. We once tried it, like mixing this with the Campbell's one. No, biggest mistake of my life. I like these. These good. Whatever your favorite tomato soup is, I like these. Smack. Yeah, too much. Yes. So that's prepped. And I'm gonna prep the onion now. We're gonna do the whole thing, might as well. The whole onion. Like these. I'm gonna peel it real quick and stick it in here because I'm a baby. It's gonna make me cry. This thing is juicy. I don't like this center part. I'm gonna cut it out. It's kind of ugly. Out the window. Goodbye. Only pretty veggies. My eyes. We're gonna do it in sections because this thing is huge. So the water started boiling. I'm gonna bring it down just to like an 8 because that's a lot. That's exciting. And then the packet says 12 to 14 minutes. We're gonna do 12 minutes. Let's stick it in. And I'm gonna set a timer for 12. I'll keep doing the onion. Okay, this is what an onion looks like. Did you look at that? It looks like my dad diced it himself, but it was me. I did that. My eyes. I'm gonna put this in medium. A little bit of olive oil. Maybe a little more. Like that. I'm gonna put it like at a 4. Because I'm multitasking and I know I'll burn it because I have really bad attention span. Let's do the rest. Wait, was this one ugly too? No. She cutie. Yeah. How? My eyes. Oh. See, she just didn't want to cooperate, so we don't want her. I think those are fine. My eyes. They burn. Do you see me crying? Look at me. So this is just going in the garbage. Like these. That's good. My eyeballs. Emily cried because of this. So I'm gonna put a little bit of salt on it. Only a little bit because the beef broth, the soup, and the taco seasoning is gonna be all the salt we really need, to be honest. I want it to sweat the onion. 2 baby pinches because I have little fingies. Like 1 regular people pinch. Oh my god, my eyes. I'm okay. Let's do the garlic. There. This is too much. Too much. I'm gonna put this a little higher because it's not really like an 8. I'm gonna stir this. I don't know what I'm gonna stir it with. Maybe this. Yeah. Big fat noodle.
Yeah, boy.
Very good. Anyway, let's do the garlic. That's juicy. Like beef. Oh, that was a big one. Beef. Thank you. Okay. That's enough. I'm still crying. Yeah. My dad's kitchen gets hot real quick. I'm gonna put some more oil down. Yeah. I'm gonna put it really low actually, so it slowly just slides down. Like a 2, because we're gonna start doing the carrots. Okay. Let's do that. Like 2 carrots. We like veggies. This little skinny one as well. So 3. I like peeling it first and then.
Look how dirty they are.
Yeah.
The dirty out the batter.
Okay, do you guys know Billy Bobby Brown? She had like an interview with, I don't know who, but they gave her a carrot and then she's like, I love eating raw carrots. She's like, it was like kind of dirty. She was like, the better.
The dirtier the better.
And then like the comments has like these like little cards. Every time I see a dirty carrot, I think of Billy Bobby Brown. Okay, I like grating my carrots. I rinse them, I dried them. When the pasta's done in a minute and a half, I'm gonna save 2 cups of pasta water that we're gonna mix with the better than bouillon beef broth, and then we're gonna get rid of the rest of the water. But yeah, we're in that. And this is how I do it. I got like one of those TikTok like, you know, like rotary things that people were like shredding their like cheese and stuff. It was not good for carrot. And this is what I grate the most. So I prefer this over the TikTok thing. Yes, it has 1 more minute. This little piece, I just eat it. Every time I, like, okay, so I hyperfixate food a lot. Every time I hyperfixate carrot, my skin gets so cutie. It's too heavy, so this is how I'm gonna do it. To save 2 cups of water. I might as well save 2 cups of pasta water, you know, instead of just 2 cups. Can you get out of here? Okay, this is what I should have been doing here. This is like 2 cups. I'll get like a little bit more, and I'll just be conservative with it. That way. Okay, I'll say 3, but I'm pretty sure I'm just gonna use 2, just in case. And then, yeah, I'm gonna drain these noodles. Okay, count it in. Can you believe that's 3 carrots? They were just like little skinny legends, so that's why there's 3. Look at these. Rogue large out the window. Excuse me, no. Not allowed. This is how I like it. Like these. I'm gonna crank it up to like a 4. Cook down the carrot a little bit. Then we're gonna transfer it to this here. Oops. Carrot. I'm gonna move this here, because I'm gonna now cook the ground beef here. It's hot. Yes. For later. Well, I mean, not for later, for now, but you'll see. Let's do the beef. My dad told me that the beef from Aldi is Australian, but then I looked at it, it says product of Australia, Uruguay, and then or USA. So this could be a mix of 3 cows from 3 different areas in the world. So
3 moo-moos.
I don't know how I feel about this, but okay. A little bit of, this is extra virgin olive oil. Should I be cooking with it? No. Am I gonna cook with it anyway? Yes. Why? Because it's my food. I do whatever I want. But it should just be olive oil and not extra virgin olive oil to cook with. I don't care. That's kind of sizzling. Yes, I just like these. And the only seasoning I put on this is literally taco seasoning. 1 packet of taco seasoning per pound. Normally, I double this and it's double the noodles and double the tomato soup, but some taco seasoning down. That's my top eater. Yes, taco seasoning. I happen to have this in the pantry, the Taco Bell one. Look at my cat. Would you just look at her? Her name is Feather, but I call her Peter. And she's sniffing the air, extremely animated. Like she belongs in like a Tom and Jerry sort of cartoon. Okay, I think it's time for the meat pasta. These. I love these, like these. Gwemlin files. Just massacre. Meat is murder, but also murder the meat. Murder the meat. Like these. Like these. You're probably thinking, what's the cinnamon? When does the cinnamon come in? Just wait for it. Okay. Is this browning now? That's right. I think it's ready. I'm gonna leave this on a 1, meaning nothing is happening, but it's not cooling off, right? Okay, very good. Now, we're gonna I'm gonna put it here closer to me. Or do you want it closer to you? Closer to me? Hell yeah. We're gonna put soup straight from the can like these. You see this? Delicious. Sniffs so good. Sniff.
Good sniff.
Good sniff. Okay, and then I'm just gonna take a ladle, okay? If you wanna make your own tomato soup from scratch and buy tomatoes, that's on you. My dad would get natural tomatoes. Okay, all right, okay, very good. And then I'm gonna do like, I don't know, half of what's in here, you know? Yeah, like this much, like that. See what I mean? That is like a 1.5 cups. It's supposed to be 2 cups, so we're like on the short side. And it's, okay, so the formula on this, it says it's teaspoon. 1 teaspoon of this per 8 ounces. We're gonna use 1 cup is a cup. How many ounces in 1 cup?
1 cup is 8 fluid ounces.
Oh, okay, I was wrong. So 2 cups, 16 ounces. So 2 teaspoons of this. Getting a regular spoon, right? And we're gonna measure it my way, the Gremlin way. Just envision in your mind a teaspoon. What does this look like? Like 2 teaspoons? That looks like 1, and then the rest here looks like 2. And we're just gonna, oh no. Hell yeah. Wait, just get off the spoon, mate. I'm gonna put this a little higher, like a 6 out of 10, so a little bit over medium. We're gonna let this simmer for like 5 minutes. So how much cinnamon should I put? Right? How much cinnamon was that? 3 finger taps, so gentle finger taps. And okay, my dad the other day, when he was measuring medium high, look at this color. Doesn't it look delicious? How does it sniff? The cinnamon, I don't know what it is about cinnamon and pasta, but it is so delicious. It's bubbling. So I'm gonna bring it down to like 6.5-ish. Okay, I'm gonna put the meat in here now. You see this?
Bruh.
We listen and we don't judge, okay? All right, so it's heavy, but that's okay. We just meat in. And we let it simmer with the sauce. This washy swash. You see this onion? This aggravating big onion? Wait, just trying to be an escape artist. You see this? Out the window. We don't want her. How's she looking? What do you think about her? She's looking so good. You guys ever had tomato soup that's like creamy because it almost looks like orange? You know what I mean? Like those, okay, it's tomato soup that has basil. You could taste the basil, and then it has like a lot of cream in it, and it's like this orangey color. And it looks wrong, like radioactive, but you taste it and it tastes so good. That's not what this is.
Wow, really?
But the carrots kind of give it that color a little bit. I didn't add any sugar, just kill it. I don't. Her? Out the window. You don't like her. Don't ask me why. I just don't like it. We're gonna simmer this for like 10 minutes. And then we're gonna add the pasta. And then I'm gonna give you first bite. You, me, soup, but make it pasta. Kind of like lasagna soup, but like the other way around. Wait, what am I saying? I'll be right back.
I don't know what you're saying.
Okay, I tasted her. She's tasting really cute. I'm thinking, well, when I put some Parmesan cheese on the plate, it's like the last bit of salt that it needs. But I think it needs a little more flavor. My cat scared me. I thought it was a lizard again. So I'm gonna put a little bit more of this, like, until it's the 2 cups, because honestly, it should be 2 cups. It's a little more. And I'm gonna do another one of these spoons. Measurements. I don't really have any. Measure with your heart. This is just an approximation. My ingredients are gonna be different from yours, especially if you don't have Australian condensed tomato soup. So I think this would be perfect. And then Parmesan cheese would just give it that last time. I like it with Parmesan cheese, but we also like it with jalapeno cheese. That's our new obsession. What's it called? Pepper jack cheese. Look at this pasta. Cutie. She's going in. Oopsie.
Look, guys, it's honest work, okay?
Look, it's really yummy. So pretty. Isn't that so pretty? Look at me. I need you to compliment her.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
What's the word for Spanish for beautiful?
Bella. Because it's a
Bella.
girl. She's pretty. Or, wait, what gender do you want to give the pasta? Is it a boy or a girl?
It's a girl.
It's
for
a
sure.
girl. She's a Bella. She's Bella then.
Bella.
If it's a boy, if she changes her mind later in life, Bella.
I don't want to misgender our pasta.
Or we just keep it English and it has no gender. Okay, she's done. I'm gonna serve you a plate. Grande?
No.
Well, I'm gonna give you a little plate. You. Not you, you. That's not too big, but we're gonna share a plate like this. And then, for you. Look at this little plate just for you. Okay, I'll tell you why I chose this plate for you. Why am I picking it with a ladle? Because it's soupy. Hello? All right. Okay, the reason I chose this little plate is because the pasta's so big and then the plate is so little, comical. It's hilarious. I'm gonna turn this off. I wanna add more so it looks really comical. I want it to be hilarious. Yeah, just look at it and then look at this massive cheese thing, right? It's just even more comical, all right? Like these. Okay. Do you want this fork or my ADHD/autism fork?
I'll type the autism fork.
No, this is mine for besties. Do you want this one? I'm gonna give you this one. Okay, look. Okay, bestie. First bite. Tell me it's good. Tell me it's good. Tell me. I'm gonna try. Yeah, it's hot. Oh my god, it's so hot. It's super hot. I want this one with the cheese. Okay, it's hot. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna go eat.